Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Today, we've got something that's sure to catch your eye, the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus 3rd General. If you're in the market for a sleek and powerful Android tablet, stay tuned because we're about to dive deep into all its exciting features. Let's kick things off by exploring what sets the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus 3rd Gen apart from the rest. First things first, the display. This tablet boasts a dazzling 10.61 inches 2K IPS display, offering crystal clear visuals and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows on Netflix or Disney Plus or indulging in some gaming, this display is a treat for your eyes. Plus, with TÜV Low Blue Light certification, you can binge watch without straining your eyes for hours on end. But what's an immersive viewing experience without exceptional audio? The Tab M10 Plus 3rd Gen delivers with its quad speaker system optimized for Dolby Atmos. The result? Audio that flows around you, adding a whole new dimension to your entertainment. It's like having your very own personal theater. When it comes to performance, this tablet doesn't disappoint. Powered by an octa-core processor, it's equipped to handle all your multitasking needs. Whether you're studying, streaming, or just browsing, you've got the power to do it all. And don't worry about running out of juice. This tablet boasts up to 12 hours of streaming on a single charge, ensuring you stay productive and entertained all day long. Now, let's talk design. The Lenovo Tab M10 Plus 3rd Gen is as stylish as it is technologically advanced. It's incredibly thin at just 7.45 mm and starts at a mere 1.03 pounds. That means it's incredibly portable, fitting perfectly in your shoulder bag, school backpack, or even a folio case. It's a statement piece that's also incredibly practical. To wrap things up, the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus 3rd Gen is your ticket to longer binges and smarter studying. With a stunning display, immersive audio, powerful performance, and a sleek design, it's a must-have for those on the go. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more tech insights and reviews. Have questions or already tried out this tablet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. That's a wrap for today's review of the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus 3rd General. Until next time, stay entertained, stay connected, and stay tuned for more exciting product reviews right here on Product Critique.